All right, you guys, let's get started on this summer shower routine. So y'all know I always go in with my favorite bar soap. I'm going to lather that up. First, I'm going to get my body good and wet and everything because I like a good lather. Y'all know by now, if it ain't lathering and sudsing, it ain't doing its job. So I'm going to get ready and wash with my African washcloth. Please make sure y'all go grab one of these because I'm telling you, it'll change your life. And I'm just going to wash my entire body with my base Dial soap because y'all know. And here's a tip, you guys. I know Dial is very drying to the skin, but it's antibacterial, so make sure you follow it up with some type of moisturizer or lotion or something to bring that moisture back in your skin. But it's going to get the bacteria off of you. But again, it will make your skin a little dry because I noticed a lot of people been commenting that. But yeah, make sure you moisturize when you get through. And then I'm just going in washing my legs, and make sure you get in between them toes, you guys, because honey, your toes, your feet can smell too, just like anything on your body can smell, you guys. And I just want y'all to be mindful of that. So I'm going to rinse off here. And then too, when you're in the shower, you guys, make sure you are scrubbing your heels, guys, because I'm telling you, that heel can get really hard. Y'all, whatever you do, please make sure you are scrubbing up under your arm with that back scrubber, because I'm telling you, you want to get all that old cake deodorant in between your crevices out as much as you can. All right, guys, so I'm out the shower. So listen, y'all know it's finna get hot in these streets. So I'm gonna take it a step further. I've been using witch hazel. Y'all know I used to use the yellow one, but I went back to the old faithful, the original one. And what I'm gonna do, since I've already detoxed my armpit, you wanna detox your armpits at least twice a week to make sure you get all the gunk out from under there. But I'm gonna take the witch hazel cleansing cloth, and go over my armpits once again, just to make sure, because we ain't gonna be slipping out here in these hot streets, hot summer streets. And then I'm gonna take it a further and go behind the ear. Anywhere where you sweat at, take these witch hazel's washcloth and double cleanse. wherever you sweat, between your legs, all that good stuff. And I'm going to take it on my outer thighs in between my girl down there. And then I'm going to take one more wipe. And I'm going to go up my behind. Because you know that behind. And do the smell test. Y'all know the drill. Just to make sure. Yep. Fresh and clean. Y'all think I be playing, honey. I ain't playing about this stuff. And then I'm going to take this witch hazel right here with a cotton pad. And I'm going to take one more time. I know it's probably a lot to some of y'all, but I want to make sure I got all the gunk out from between. Because even though I exfoliate and I detox, I just want to make sure. Yep. And you want to make sure that area always stays dry. And now, this is my new baby I've been using for almost a month now. It's coconut and vanilla. It's Lady Parts powder finish deodorant lotion. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this in between my girlies up under there. Because y'all know in these hot summer streets, your girlies up under there be sweating. I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to take it and put it my behind creek. Well, Lord, I said creek, Jesus. That ain't what I was really trying to say, you know. But your butt cheeks, that's what I'm trying to say. And then once you do that, now you can start lotioning. And today I'm using the Tropic Glow because going with the theme that I used in the shower. I want y'all to smell your absolute best. And if you feel, like I always say, if you feel like you missed it, honey, you can get right back in your shower. That's why I say always get up early. And don't forget your hands, ladies. I exfoliated my hands. I took my press-ons off, but I exfoliated my hands so I can make sure they stay soft. All right. And then I got one other trick to show you guys. I'm gonna put my deodorant on. Y'all let me know. I'm kind of getting burnt out on my Dove. You know, that's my go-to deodorant. Let me know what deodorant I should try. Because Lord knows I done tried every one of them. Do you hear me? But I don't want to be slipping out here in these streets. I got to go with what works. But I just be wanting a new scent. You know how you just be wanting something different to smell? All right, y'all. So now I'm going to show you the trick on how to keep your feet from getting dirty during the summer when you wearing sandals, and just keep your feet fresh because we don't want no funky feet out here either. And y'all know I've been raving about this if y'all follow me on TikTok. But I'm just going to go in with a little bit of this. And I'm going to mix it with this. Y'all know I always be mixing stuff. Because I want to make sure I'm glowing, honey. Not doing too much, but it just takes it to a whole other level. Make sure, all right. All right, y'all. Okay. All right. All right, y'all. So what I'm going to do now is show you the foot spray that I've been using. It's by Earth something. I'm going to leave the link below. And what you do is spray a little bit on this after you've done your feet real good. You can do this after a pedicure, in between showers, and rub your feet. And once you let it dry for a little bit, you're going to do both feet. Once you let it dry a little bit, then I'll tell you my next step. But you don't want to miss that. And it smells really good, you guys. I use the lotion when I'm doing it, the foot repair, and it smells good. So I'm going to go in. You're going to talc a little talc powder under the bottom of your feet. Anytime you get ready to wear sandals, it'll help keep the traction, especially when your feet is moisturized. It tracks that dirt. That baby powder is going to help keep from tracking it and make your foot black. You know, when you wear sandals and it get your... All right, you guys. So this is my new baby. It's the Burberry Her Toilette in the green one. I love the pink one, but I've been trying this lately. And when I tell y'all it's just in time for the summer months, when I tell y'all it smells so good. Now, I don't forgot the notes, Jesus. Let me see if I can tell y'all. Good. Well, I'll try to put the notes here up on the screen, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment, like, share. Share some of your tips of how you're going to stay fresh this summer month, these summer months out here in these streets, honey. But I love you guys, and I will see you. I will see you on my next video. Bye.